Hello guys, and what's up guys, welcome to another travel video, and this time I'm in Islamabad. Islamabad is said to be the second most beautiful capital city in the world, and when I came here and I saw the city, it has a great potential to be the second most beautiful capital in the world. So I will be looking forward to show you most of the attraction in Islamabad city. Right now I'm in Monaco, and from here you can view all the city, like in the background you can see. So basically there are so many places in Islamabad, all the city is green, and as I said, it has the potential to be the second most beautiful capital in the world. So let's check out and explore Islamabad. So guys, it is Centaurus Mall in Islamabad. It is a very nice mall of international standard. You can find shopping, different shops, brands, and also you can find food street on the top floor. It is a 4 to 5 stories shopping mall here in Islamabad. I'm at the ground floor, at the entrance floor, and actually I went there and I wanted to make a video, but the stop said that video is not allowed on the top floor, on the other floors, like not from the ground floor. So just it's a nice, great mall. I will be showing some attractions here. Faisal Mosque in Islamabad is one of the iconic and symbolic places, and one of the very top attractions here in Islamabad. Just you can see in the background, and so many people from the city and from the country visit this place, and it was renamed in the memory of King Shah Faisal of Saudi Arabia. So let's check out this place as well. guys, one of the most popular attraction in Islamabad is the Monel Restaurant, which is on the top of the city, and it is a luxury restaurant here in Islamabad, and you can view all the city from here in the background. Just see it. There's so many beautiful, greenery and everything. So it takes 30 minutes to reach here from downtown Islamabad, and you would just love this place, Monel Restaurant. another attraction called Monaco in Islamabad. And the best thing in Islamabad is that most of the city is very beautiful, green and actually clean. So this is another attraction. We will be looking forward to show Monaco as well, from where you can see the Islamabad city, whole of Islamabad city view, like panoramic view is accessible and viewable from this area called Monaco. So Islamabad has so many attractions which you can find and explore, and we are looking forward to show you all of them through this vlog. Thank you. So guys, doing dinner in Islamabad in Nandara restaurant with my friend Abdul Nasir Chakri and Idris Bhai, Bacha Bhai. So Nasir Bhai,
Yeah.
how is this restaurant? What do you say about
Highly
it?
recommended. Highly recommended if you people want to. If you people want some Quetta rosh and you want some Shinwari tikka and such kind of things, Afghani pulao, this is a highly recommended place and very peaceful environment. Very good environment.
Right. Thank you Nasir Bhai for serving us this nice and I mean just the best food that we can actually expect and can dream about. It's not very easy to find everywhere. So, cheers. So guys, it is Rawal Lake in Rawal Park here in Islamabad. Very beautiful view you can see in the background, and I'm really enjoying this place in all the Islamabad. And you have also seen different places like Monaco, Monel Restaurants, and from top, and you can see right here, it is just 20 or 30 minutes away from the city. It is a big lake right here called Rawal Lake. So do remember that, and it has a park as well, and it is crowded always, but in the evening. So guys, took a small boat. Look at here. It only cost $3 I mean 300 Pakistani rupees to get this small boat and have a ride here in the water, the lake. See my friends Abdul Qadir and Wasim and Badsha Bhai. So really enjoying, and our rider here, he is working, he is now busy, and we are in the water. Other small boats you can see around here. So today it is a hot day, but still we hope for the best. Dinner time in Islamabad. It's lunch time in Islamabad with Afghani palau, desi food, and again another lunch here in Islamabad. So we'll be leaving the city today, and I hope you are enjoying the travel video of Islamabad. We'll see you again with another travel video very soon. So guys, it is F9 Park in Islamabad. In the background you can see that sign when you enter from the main gate. So it looks really beautiful. This sign or statue you can see right there in the background. And this is one of the largest parks in the capital Islamabad. Like it is around 6 to 8 kilometers long. There is a very long trek for walking in this park. And the surrounding areas, like all the surroundings are mountains, so you can have a nice view of the whole mountains. It is green, all green, and the big thing is that it is big, and when weather is nice then you can enjoy a lot. So many people come here, and whenever you are in Islamabad, don't miss, never miss this place, this F9 Park. Remember the name. So guys, after exploring Islamabad city, I see no reason for not visiting this beautiful city in Pakistan. Whether you are from Pakistan or from any other country, I highly recommend you visiting this capital city, Islamabad, because there are so many attractions that you can explore and you can enjoy your stay. We have not explored the whole city, but as far as we went, that is absolutely fantastic and amazing place, and I highly recommend again to visit this place.